Hi all, welcome back. Today's video is all about Children's Day treat at home for my daughter and friends. The menu was KFC style fried chicken, custard gulab jamun, coleslaw, homemade mayonnaise and garlic bread. Homemade is always divine that you don't get elsewhere as it has touch of love involved in the preparation. So let's get into the video. Overnight marination is required for making KFC style chicken. For that, in a large bowl, add some milk, lemon juice, mix well and the buttermilk is ready. Now into this add some garlic paste, ginger paste, salt and chili powder and one egg. Nicely mix and add the washed and dried chicken pieces into the buttermilk mixture and keep it overnight or at least 4 hours. And that is done, and the next day started with making a simple custard from the store bought custard powder. So I prefer to make some change in it. Plan to make some fusion dessert, that is the custard gulab jamun. Simply made some gulab jamuns as per the package instructions or whatever method you used to make and let it soak in the sugar syrup for some time. Thinly slicing some cabbage and grating some carrot for the coleslaw. Mayonnaise is required for making coleslaw. For that, in a blender, take some garlic, little sugar, salt, egg whites and some oil. Mix all this and nicely blend. If you want little thick, add little more oil and keep this aside. Into a bowl, add the cabbage, carrot, salt, pepper, sugar, olive oil, add some lemon juice and add the prepared mayonnaise. Nicely mix well or toast to evenly coat and cover it and keep it in the fridge. Serve chill with your KFC style fried chicken. Next, I plan to make the easiest garlic bread recipe ever. That is, into a bowl, add some softened butter, some cheese, and add a large amount of finely chopped garlic, some coriander leaves, oregano, salt, and pepper. The mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Now it's time to fry up the chicken. For that, in a large bowl, add some ice water. In another bowl, let's prepare the coat mixture. For that, adding maida, corn flour, oregano and salt and pepper. Mix well and the coat mixture is ready. Now take out the buttermilk soaked chicken from the fridge. Pick up each piece of the chicken from the buttermilk mixture to the coat mixture. Nicely press well so that the flour will stick the chicken well, and then dip into the ice water for 2 to 3 seconds and again roll it into the coat mixture nicely and set aside for at least 10 minutes. Repeat the process for all the marinated chicken, and all the measurements are given in the description box. Do check out. This chicken came out so perfect, exactly like KFC style. But there can definitely be a no better and healthier way to enjoy a fried chicken than to prepare at home. Healthier and a deep fried chicken, not really, but homemade is always divine. But of course, your kids will definitely love it. Now moving on to make some garlic bread with the prepared garlic mixture. Just spread evenly on the bread slice and close it with another slice, and you can spread on top of the bread too and simply toast it. Heat oil in a heavy bottom deep pan or kadai. Fry till golden at medium high temperature. If the oil is very hot, chicken gets brown fast without getting cooked inside. The oil should be hot enough and flame at medium high. It has to be cooked around 12 to 15 minutes. Now it's almost time to set the dessert. Into the chilled custard, placing the soft gulab jamuns and decorating with some almond powder, and the yummiest custard gulab jamun is ready, and toasting my garlic bread too. And my recipes are all done. Now it's time to set the table. You can serve the KFC chicken with some french fries and with your favorite dip. And the children's day treat is all ready and kids are waiting to enjoy the food. Hope you like my video and do try out the simple and easy recipe and treat your kids too and let me know the feedback. Thank you.